why cold traffic is not your problem and why the real problem is your funnel. So as you watch this video right now, maybe you are running Google ads, maybe you have tried YouTube ads or Facebook ads, okay, and you are failing with ClickBank affiliate marketing or even CPA affiliate offers, right? Maybe you're promoting different offers and you're thinking, heck, this doesn't work because you don't know what you don't know. So in this short video, okay, in 6 minutes, I'm going to reveal to you exactly, if you stay until the end, how you can position your offer as a beginner, as a newbie, to get serious results, serious money with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Or maybe even you have made some serious money and you are stuck at the moment. So this video is for you. So the main point is, okay, when it comes to traffic, audiences, eyeballs to your website or your landing page, it's all about what kind of audience you are attracting, okay? When I mean cold traffic, those are the people who have never heard of your weight loss product or your digital product, okay? So they are cold traffic, but they have different stages of awareness, okay? You have problem aware audience, you have totally unaware audience, and you have product aware audiences as well. So it depends what kind of messaging you're putting out there. It will depend, are you getting 0 sales or are you getting 100 sales on ClickBank, right? So why am I able to make $2,000, even $5,000 in a day on ClickBank? Is because I understand psychology of ads on a deeper level, okay? There are layers to this game, as you like to say it, we super affiliates, okay? There are levels to this game. Some people like to be superficial, okay? But they don't have any depth, meaning they don't know, they don't have a skill set and insider knowledge to know exactly how to position their ads at the back end, the front end, and how the upsells work and everything in between. Okay, now you don't have to know everything about everything yourself. If you are working 9 to 5, you have full-time job. I know maybe you have 20, 30 minutes to 1 hour a day. Yes, you can do this, but in 2026, you do need to have someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you and giving you the exact framework that is actually converting and doing well. It's proven to work right now in 2026 as you watch this YouTube video, okay? It's very important. Yes, you can do this without showing your face on camera. Yes, you can do this even if you're not outside of US, okay? You don't have to be on camera. You don't have to make any videos. This is about Google ads, meaning attracting your audience who is already actively searching for what you have to sell or offer on Google. People go on Google to look for solutions to their pains and problems. So get educated or to buy the product. That's it. Nothing else, nothing more. Simple and easy once you understand it on a deeper level. Okay. So what we do is we check our funnel first. Funnel is very important because message to the market match. It's what matters. Okay. If your message is wrong, your everything else is failing. Everything else is failing. You're losing money if your messaging is wrong. But once you have the right type of messaging, copywriting on your funnel, okay, everything else falls in the place. Everything becomes naturally effective and simple. Okay, I like to keep things simple. So once I look on the funnel, I know what you're doing wrong. Is it the messaging wrong? Is this for female or male audience? It's very important because language patterns for male and female audience are very, very different. Emotional states are very, very different. Criteria of market is very, very different. So it really matters what kind of messaging you have on your funnel. And once you have the right type of buyer's intent, the buyer's clicks, you are able to get results. In many cases, I get 20 clicks and I get 1 to 3 sales. Okay. Yes, $200, $300 from 3 sales or $500 from 3 sales. Depends if there are some down sales or up sales. Because I like to promote offers with great upsell take rate as well. Okay. So again, this is all without making any videos, without showing my face on camera, promoting ClickBank products and private CPA products, CPA affiliate marketing offers. Okay. So all this is possible once you have someone who can guide you through step by step along the way and give you the exact framework. Because AI will not do the job for you. AI will not do the job for you, believe me. Okay. Why? Because you can go make study, even ask ChatGPT. they cannot do the job for you. It's impossible. They're not human being, okay? Like me and you watching this video. So they cannot understand emotions as we do, as human beings do, okay? So you have to understand, in 2026, the only solution, the only way you can win is to have someone to help you one-on-one, step by step, over the Zoom call, give you the exact strategy and fast forward yourself by having serious results in 2026. Okay, yes, it's still possible to make money online in 2026 as long as you have someone to give you the exact ad copy, exact targeting details, exact language patterns to use on your funnel, so you can connect with the right type of audience and start having the right type of results. It's simple and easy as that. Okay, so as you watch this video, if you want to have serious results, there's my Instagram, my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number. I know most gurus will never give you their personal cell phone number. Okay, I give you my personal cell phone number, email, Facebook Messenger, Instagram. You can connect with me one-on-one. And the reason why I'm giving this is because if you're serious, and I know you are, if you're serious and you have some money to invest in yourself to get serious results, okay, in 2026, and actually do something for your own family, for your own self, and not procrastinating, making excuses, postponing things, saying, oh, I'll do it tomorrow or next year. No. If you're a person who is action taker, who wants best for yourself and your family, let me know, okay? Let's connect, and the links are in the description below.